Hello YouTubers, welcome to Blue Collection and to another diecast review. Today I'm going to show you the Mattel diecast of Taco Truck Mater, number 13 from the Deluxe package. And if you're collecting these Deluxe diecasts, number 11 was Kimura Kaizo, number 12 Funny Car Mater, and the newest car, number 14, is Taya de Coutura. This Taco Truck Mater is a 155 scale diecast original from Mattel and measures 3 inches and a quarter by 2 inches tall. You know what, in my opinion his name should have been Mater's Tacos. The cargo is all made of plastic and just one side opens, so Mater can sell tacos, burritos and bebidas. You know what, I'm starting to feel hungry myself for some tacos. Everything you see here, the eyes, logo, even the food is all custom painted with no stickers. Comparing to the 143 scale from Disney Store, it looks pretty different. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching this video, and click on any of these links if you want to watch more reviews from Mater. Thanks again and see you next time.